this is what we taught in our intermediate West Coast swing class. We did a whip. It's like a scoop whip or a cutoff whip, but it has something a little different. So can we do a sugar push first?
Okay.
1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. What we did from here is we did an underarm turn. 1, 2, 3, and 4 with a step together step.
And followed it with the sugar.
1, 2, yeah. So just to break down that whip.
Okay, leaders, this is a reverse whip. You are going to lead. Left hand is going to go up. I need to catch her underneath here. So I'll go to count 4.
Here's 1, 2. That's, and I want to show what that looks like from this position. 1, 2.
Now, nothing has happened other than she's ready to do a reverse turn.
And what that tells me, I'm going to do it this way facing the camera. If he goes 1, 2, I know 2 things. So I know it's going to be a reverse, and he's going to help turn me, and he's going to go over my head. 3 and 4.
So I rotate it up to the top. My hand is now cupped over her shoulder. I want to show that one more time.
So
I'm going to take the hand from back here.
1, 2.
I'm going to rotate it up to
4.
here. Now notice I stepped off to the side to make some room here for the outside turn. This hand is going to go up on 5.
Now I want you to notice my hand here, 6. I have my arm in front of my eyes. Here's 6. And I'm just going to go out and go around nice and soft. 7 and 8. Then we did an underarm turn. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here's where I would be normally on 4. And we do a step together step, and then we did a sugar push out. That is what we taught in our intermediate West Coast swing. See you later.